Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Just now, I told you about the episode of Cyberbytes, where the name Marana was mentioned. This is the world's first quantum computer chip, created by Microsoft. Now, what is special about it? How does it work? You might know that semiconductors have been around for quite some time. Our normal processors and computers work in a certain way, but this is not a normal computer chip, nor does it work on semiconductors. It works on a topological conductor, which is a combination of semiconductors and superconductors, creating a different state, a different thing. So, first, let's understand how this chip is different from our normal processors, how it works, and how it can change our world. Why is there so much hype about it? After all, we talk about big technological terms, but what difference will it make to the common person? It might not make any difference. First, let's talk about how normal computers work. Normal computers, which we call normal chips, like your CPU, process data in binary form, either 0 or 1. All our digital data and processing happen through this binary system of zeros and ones. If you have ever studied computer science, you would know what the binary system is and how computers work. These are our traditional computers, which can either show 0 or 1, and through their combination, we can construct, transfer, or process data. But friends, in quantum computers, instead of 0 and 1, there is a qubit. This qubit can show both 0 and 1. The special thing is that in normal computers, it's either 0 or 1, on or off. But in quantum computers, a single qubit can show 0, 1, or both. This means a qubit is very different from our binary numbers, or bits, and it can perform many processes simultaneously. If we talk about quantum computers, they are basically designed to perform many small tasks simultaneously and very rapidly. What all the computers in the world combined cannot do, a single quantum computer can do. You can imagine its power. But there's a catch. Quantum computers are not perfect for normal gaming or normal computing. They are used for big tasks, and we will explain how this chip can change the world and where it can be used. The first use of quantum computers could be finding cures for diseases, because here we need to try different combinations to see how a particular drug reacts to a disease. There are algorithms for this, but we need a computer that can do 50 years of regular computing in 1 hour. Who can do this? Quantum computers, because they don't have normal bits. They have qubits, which can perform many operations with limited qubits. And in this Marana chip, millions of qubits are being integrated. You can imagine how powerful it will be. This means diseases like cancer or other major illnesses can be cured in a few days. Experiments on different drugs or vaccines can be conducted. Weather patterns can be understood, and predictions can be made for the entire world, every district, every city. Quantum computers can do this in a snap, whereas normal computers take a lot of time. Quantum computers can also create materials that have self-healing properties, like cement that repairs itself when cracked or clothes that sew themselves when torn. You might have seen Iron Man's latest suit, which covers itself. Such materials can be created. Self-healing materials, buildings that repair cracks on their own. Though such things exist, they are not perfect yet. Experiments on humans, new medicines, diseases, and many other things can be discovered that we can't even imagine now. Those who experiment will create different types of software for this, because if there's hardware, there will be software to run on it. Creating software is not a big deal. The restriction in moving to a higher level of computing or creating a supercomputer is only that we have the ideas. We can create the software, but we don't have a hardware to run it. In this world, with the help of AI, such software can be created today, or even a human brain can be simulated. The challenge is, which processor will process all the world's data? Normal processors can't do it. Supercomputers can to some extent, but quantum computers can do it very easily, and they can do amazing things. Now, it seems to me that if AI comes into this chip, you can't even imagine what could happen. There could be very good things. We could create an entity, a robot, or a brain that is smarter than any human and can perform calculations that no scientist in the world can do. It sounds very good, but if it gets corrupted and becomes too smart, why would it listen to humans? This is a science fiction thing about what will happen in the future, but I have told you what this chip is. Even if this chip doesn't come, quantum computers will advance. but it might take 10, 20, or 30 years. With this chip, things will speed up, and you might see these computers in 5 to 6 years. No one knows for sure. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Write your thoughts about the chip in the comment section. If you like this video, like it and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much and goodbye.